what we got here, we got a crown, and we trouble this one and then clean up the motor, but it's still going because what happened, we try to clean up this hydraulic motor, but yeah, hydraulic controller looks fine, so it's not lightning. So this is your hydraulic controller on it. So what I got here is 364, which means your axis 3 controller should have a error on it. See that one? It's blinking. So what I'm gonna do now is rectify first this motor. I'm planning to do some cleaning on it and check the bearings and grounding, because it seems like this carbon brush is black in there inside. The armature is too black, so we need to clean up, and let's have a look if that's the reason why this controller is keeping blinking. Alright, so let's try to do it and see how it goes. Bearing check, okay naman ang yung bearing, pero ito, see, looks like a presence of rusty, kind of looks like there is a problem, soap and water or moisture, but we just need to clean the one and clean. The important is need to clean up this thing, this one. Let's have a look with this stator coil and check the coil resistance, and we'll check the grounding as well. Okay, what we got here is remachining with the armature. So what happened now is see this connection here, we need to clean up this one, because if you are not cleaning the one like this, you will end up to have an error in the motor, because every coil on it has a different magnetic poles, or what we call, there is a south and north magnetic poles on that. So we need to disconnect this connection, because what happened in the system, it will receive there as an error motor or damaged motor.
Alright, good afternoon.
Bad contacts across the armature.
Alright, there we go. This is the update. So the motor now is running, no error code, and the controller axis 3 is not blinking. So that's how we repair this unit. We just clean this armature and that's it. All goods in the house. You know, artista oh.